Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Mozilla Firefox browser. So let's get started. First thing, just Google that and we'll be having the official link. Click it, and I don't want it to set it as the default browser. If you want, you can check this and then just click on download Firefox. The setup file will be getting downloaded, just 375 KB. Open it. This will take some time to install, so just be patient for a while. And you'll be getting the Firefox browser opened. Just click on continue and you can just pin it to taskbar. I don't want it to be as the default one. Save and continue. And I don't want to save anything from Chrome or any other browser. If you want, you can do that. I'll skip, and you can just like fill this step. I'll just skip this step, skip it, and click on start browsing. Yep, that's it. We have got Firefox browser. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.